National Forest. So, yeah, I guess that's 14-day free camping. That works. I didn't even realize that there it is, the state line. I didn't even realize till the GPS said it. Welcome to South Carolina already. I don't know why. I don't know why I was thinking we had to go through Georgia for a ways yet. But wow, we're in South Carolina. Flying the flags. There it is. Bell says, what? We made it to South Carolina, girl. Huh. What do you think about that? The excitement's over. Sit back down now. She had to get up and have a quick look around. Everything under control over there? It appears to be. Let me have a double extra look here. Look again, but yeah. Well, we're definitely off the interstate, and I actually enjoy this kind of taking your time going through small towns, and it's just a slower pace of travel, more relaxed. You know, not rushing and watching all the crazies on the flying on the interstate at 70 miles an hour or whatever. That's just, you know, kind of getting to snoop around a little bit. Yeah, different parks and buildings and people, and you know, I like this pace of traveling. I like not necessarily 25 miles an hour in town. I mean, I do like that part of it. Then you get out of town, more like the 45 or 50 mile an hour speed limits. I enjoy these kind of roads. And if you see something, you know, some sort of point of interest, it's a lot easier just to pull over and stop. Look at this little church. Look how cool that is. See what I mean? See? And then there's another one, okay? Little old churches and homesteads. What a cute little house. See, you just don't get to see the kind of stuff when you're flying down the interstate. And all little towns are a little different. Signs back there that say, yeah, go through a couple little towns up here called, one's called Cottageville, another one is Somerville. So, there's some little towns. Just gotta take our time today. This, by the way, is alternate Route 17. There's Route 17 that goes down towards, I think it's Charleston, which is right on the coast, and in Interstate 95. So there's Route 17. We took just a little bit to the north of that is alternate 17. So that's where we're at. Oh, and the town we just went through was Walterboro, South Carolina. Alright, sometimes the names of streets give me a chuckle. The name of this street here is called Linger Longer. It just has a pretty laid back feel to it, doesn't it? Linger Longer. That's kind of what we're doing today. Wow, look at the blossoms on these trees already. Spring comes early down here. Alright, we are getting back on the road here. Made a quick stop in town. You'd never guess where. Like the Walmart. Where else, right? We do our share of Walmart stopping, that's for sure. Well, we like to stay stocked up. We do.
In 400 feet, turn left onto Rockaway Drive.
There goes the choo-choo. Alright, on to camp we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho, off to camp we go. Oh, this is kind of nice. It's the cheapest we've seen here. $2.89. Let's that's it here in South Carolina. Cheapest we've seen it in South Carolina. VP Racing Fuels. Well, that ought to make the coachman go fast, huh? I think somewhere up the road it's 281, but you know, this was right along the road and there's no other cars. They're easy in, easy out, and the pumps that are all backed up and busy. I thought, you know what, I'll just go pay the 289. We can get out of here, be back on our way. That little building, you know what it says on the front of it? The Hellhole Swamp Festival. And I don't know what to think about that. I might have to Google that. The Hellhole Festival in this is Jamestown, tiny little one crossroad town, Jamestown, South Carolina. The Hellhole Festival. What could that possibly be? I don't know. I'm gonna Google it later. Somewhere right up here.
Take the next right, then you'll arrive at your destination.
I think I'll take the next right. Should be our destination. It's supposed to be free 14-day camping in the Francis Marion National Forest. So, yeah, I guess that's 14-day free camping. That works. Huh. Actually, that there, I thought it was a cell tower. But it's not, it's a fire tower. Wow. Bella's all, she says, we finally got somewhere. I'm so excited. She's been nice and calm on this. We had this nice, long, relaxing drive through the country, and you know, she does chill out once in a while, but dang it, when we get somewhere, she gets wound up. She says, I see campers. And it's kind of nice. Kind of nice. Real nice, as a matter of fact. Alright, okay, here's something I do and have done. Okay, people up here in the tent, they've done their laundry and they've hung it out. They got a laundry line in between the trees there. That's so my style, right? Let's see if we can find us a place here. I wasn't paying that much attention when we first came in. I might have drove past the spot. Here's two here. That one's taken. That one's taken. Maybe I can share a spot with my friends. That work? Let's jump ahead one day. It's another beautiful day. Short sleeves. This is really nice out here. It's been peaceful. The internet stinks, I'll tell you that much. Here's what I had to do to get a little bit. It's kind of was touch and go. And then I brought my battery bank out, an extension cord. My router is on top of the RV. So getting a little bit of internet out here, so don't count on a good signal if you come out here. I don't think the AT&T and Verizon's it's pretty, I think it's pretty iffy too. Nobody's bragging about great internet speeds out here. So got the car unhooked here, and my son John caught up with us again, hanging out, getting ready to put something on for dinner. It's about noon. I've been dragging my feet doing that. And Bella, right? She says, "What is for dinner?" Speaking of dinner, so I got the crock pot out. I'm gonna do something with it. And it's running on my batteries. That only uses like 65 watts. And getting plenty of solar today. It'll take care of that and then some. So I'm gonna put some pork in the crock pot, along with, let me see, where are they at here? What would be good with that? Maybe some roasted red peppers and pork. I might add a little bit of soy to that and let that do its thing in the crock pot. And how that was what? No, not with Peter Pan peanut butter. No. Oh, that's the good honey roast. too. That is yummy stuff. And there you go. And we'll have that on rice. Sound good? The trouble with these pork ribs, these boneless ribs or whatever, they cut them, but they didn't cut them the whole way through. And they're only half defrosted. So, look, see, they're not even cut the whole way through. Isn't that weird? Never seen that before. So, and I'm not even going to finish cutting them. Those cuts will allow me to do this. Okay, I'm going to do that. Just put them in here. They're going to cook till they're falling apart anyway. So, I'm just going to do that. We'll make a circle thing. Let's just, come on. I wish they actually stay together. I should tie it. We'll just dump these right in the middle. You ever see the ones that have the whole peppers in it? I don't know how they get them in sometimes. I bought one time just had 2 whole peppers in it. I don't know how they got the dang things in the jar. We're just gonna put it juice and all. Dump that down the middle. Oh, look at that. Come on. A couple more. Roasted red peppers. Yummy, yum. And there's actually only a little bit of soy sauce left in that. I don't know if it's enough or not. I have another one. Yeah, let's start with that much. I put at least that much more in it. Probably only a tablespoon. Alright, let's put some more in there. Oh no, oops, I forgot to undo the thing. Alright, let's add about that much more. Another tablespoon, or 2 actually. That should do. Okay, I'm gonna put the lid on that. Pork, roasted peppers, soy over rice. That's what's for dinner. Meanwhile, while that's cooking, which is going to take quite a while in the crock pot, I think I'm going to keep this video a short one. We'll cut it off here. I'm going to spend some of the afternoon mapping ahead, and it won't be long. We're going to be probably another week or 2, and we'll probably be breaking off from our friends and heading north. So I'm going to kind of get my gears changed here a little bit on getting up there and what I'm going to get involved in and see and do on the way up. So yeah, we'll cut it with this video. That's all we're up to today. All right, we'll be back sometime soon. I'll see ya.